Hi, everyone, and welcome back to My Phone's official YouTube channel. Today, I'll show you how to wipe a locked iPad, even you don't know the passcode to enter your iPad. Let's go. Maybe you have a locked iPad that you haven't used for a long time, and you want to wipe it as a new iPad. Then suddenly, you just forgot the passcode. In this case, you can try these two methods. Find My iPad is disabled, or you don't want to wipe the locked iPad via iCloud. You can turn another third-party tool to wipe your iPad without passcode, and that is My Phone Lock Wiper. But Lock Wiper will give you immediate access to your iPad in just a few clicks. You can also use it to remove Apple ID when you need it. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Download and install Lock Wiper on your PC or Mac. Launch Lock Wiper and select Unlock Screen Passcode mode. Step 2. Using an USB cable to connect your device and click Next. Step 3. Download your iPad's firmware package by clicking the Download button. When the download is complete, click Start to extract. Step 4. After the extraction completed, click Start Unlock. Enter 000000 to reconfirm your request, and then click Unlock. And that's it. You have successfully wiped a locked iPad that easily. You can wipe your locked iPad without passcode using iCloud's Find My iPad feature. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Use your computer to log in to iCloud.com/find. Sign into the service using your Apple ID and password. Step 2. Click on the option All Devices. If Find My iPad is enabled in your iPhone, your iPad will be showing on this page. Step 3. Choose Erase iPad option to delete or wipe all the data on your iPad and open your iPad. Afterward, iCloud will restore your iPad data. This method takes too long to complete and only works for those who have enabled Find My iPad feature on their iPad before now. Besides, you need to ensure your iPad is connected to the internet. Okay guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.